some political news now. It's a political gap by Priyanka Gandhi's husband Robert Vadra, who is in UP accompanying his wife to campaign for the Congress. A foot-in-the-mouth comment by Vadra which seems to suggest that he regards politics as a private limited enterprise of the Gandhi family.
अभी राहुल का समय है, फिर प्रियंका का समय आएगा, फिर आगे देखेंगे। पूरा परिवार हमेशा रहा है अमेठी के साथ, यूपी के साथ और पूरे देश के साथ। अगर लोगों की इच्छा होगी तो मैं जरूर आऊंगा।
And of course, that comment made by Robert Vadra, where he said that he was here to campaign for the Gandhi family and that it is a sort of a private business. Comparing it to private business, of course, has given just more ammunition to the opposition, which has really hit out at these comments by Robert Vadra. In fact, Vadra also went on to make a comment saying that this is Rahul's time and Priyanka's time is going to come. So enough ammunition for the opposition, really. Robert Vadra making those comments. In fact, just to quickly reiterate, he said that this is like family business and that he's here to campaign. And let's take a listen to what, in fact, listen to Robert Vadra's assertion once again and judge for yourselves the stark contrast between the manner in which Rahul Gandhi views politics, of what all he's been saying all this while, and his brother-in-law's perspective. For one, it is a public service, and for the other, it's private business.
I'm here for the family, and it's a family business in another way. And I think to motivate the workers, I think Priyanka and Rahul, they try their best. Priyanka is working, I think, 16 hours a day, and we are trying to meet all the workers, and I do my bit. I meet all the workers and motivate them also.
मेरा मिशन उत्तर प्रदेश को बदलने का मिशन है। उत्तर प्रदेश में विकास लाने का मिशन है। उत्तर प्रदेश में प्रगति लाने का मिशन है। 2012 चुनाव है, इसके बाद चुनाव आएंगे। मैं हर स्पीच में कह रहा हूं कि राहुल गांधी यहां से अब हटेगा नहीं।
And despite Rahul's assertions against nepotism, the Congress has many examples of dynastic politics. Amrinder Singh, the party's chief ministerial candidate in Punjab, has backed giving a ticket to his son. Many Congress candidates in UP too have got tickets because of the family's political links, and Rahul's own core team comprises political heirs. And talking about that comment made by Robert Vadra, we have Sunil Jha, a senior editor, on the phone line with us to give his perspective on this story. Sunil, this particular comment by Robert Vadra has not only given ammunition to the BJP and the opposition on the whole, but has also put the Congress in an embarrassing situation because it's really come from a family member this time around.
That's right, Sneha, because this has been speculated for long, and the Congress party, especially the Gandhi family, has been accused of promoting a family system in politics, especially BJP going all out against the Gandhi family many a times. But now that Rahul Vadra himself has said this about family business, and obviously there would be a time when Priyanka Gandhi would also decide to enter politics, it gives credence to what BJP and the opposition have been saying. And I'm sure that once the way election heat is on right now, political parties, opposition parties will definitely make this as an issue, because they have for long has been saying that Gandhi family runs Congress party as a family business.
And having said all of that, Sunil, we've seen how Priyanka Gandhi has been campaigning in UP. So what do you make of all these developments? You think that this is a very slow and steady foray into politics as far as the state of UP at least is concerned this time around?
Yeah, in fact, Priyanka Gandhi has never been so emphatic about replying on whether she wants to join active politics or not. Yesterday, she was asked this question at the press conference where I was present, Sneha, and we had asked her very specifically, would you join politics? And she said, because there are comments by Mayawati and Rajnath Singh made that Priyanka Gandhi only comes to politics or the state when there are elections. And she said, what do the opposition want? Do the opposition want me to join active politics? Now, that was a very clear challenge. Now, today, Robert Vadra hinting at Priyanka Gandhi to join active politics, that's an indicator that there is something going on, and Priyanka Gandhi is actually hinting at becoming a serious player in the political scene of the Congress party.
That's right. Of course, Robert Vadra making it very, very clear that this is Rahul Gandhi's time, and perhaps Priyanka's time is going to come sometime. Sunil, thanks so much for getting us your inputs. And in related news, the BJP, of course, has taken a dig at his comments, suggesting that there is a power struggle within the Gandhi family. Let's take a listen.
राहुल जी इतने बुजुर्ग नहीं हैं कि उनका दिन बीतेगा और प्रियंका जी का दिन आएगा जो रॉबर्ट वडेरा जी बता रहे हैं। वो समकक्ष हैं उम्र में, लेकिन आज रॉबर्ट वडेरा जी का ये बयान कि राहुल जी के बाद प्रियंका जी, मतलब ये, और उसके बाद जनता दबाव बनाए तो वो भी लाइन में खड़े हैं, ये मुझे लगता है ये उनका पारिवारिक मामला है